y'all know I have the floor shifter. So yeah, I don't have the shifter up here like in my box Chevy. I have the floor shifter, and the shifter handle has always been missing. So I ended up buying a gray one. Don't know why I bought gray. Anyway, I don't know why I did that, but I ended up buying a gray one, and it did not come with the side buttons or nothing like that. You feel me? Everything was missing. So I ordered the button, but you can't order the other pieces that go to it. So I just said, you know what, man, I'm already out of this money. I'm gonna just buy a whole nother one. I'm gonna get the color I actually need, which is black. So it's missing the chrome that goes around the bottom, which I will see on the new one. It's missing this button over here, and it's missing this button over here. And this is the button you're supposed to be able to push in and then pull the gear shifter back, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, this was missing all of that. And I don't know why I bought this anyways, because it's not even a color choice that I'm going for, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why my camera not focusing. There we go. So it's not even a color choice I was going for. As y'all can see, it's pretty dirty because this is the carpet getting worked on a lot. Yeah, I got black, like I said, because y'all know my color scheme is black and blue in this car. And the blue they were selling it wasn't the blue that I'm going for. It ain't the royal blue. It's like a kind of like a navy blue. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now this is gonna be another unboxing video. I'm sorry, I know I ain't been working on the car a lot, but yeah, I really ain't felt like working on the car, you know what I'm saying? The weather just ain't been nice outside. As y'all can tell now, it's dark and gloomy and it's raining, you feel me? The weather just ain't been the best, you feel me? And so I just been chilling. That's really it. I've been chilling, doing my school work, and yeah, that's really all I've been doing. But this video, man, y'all see the title, thumbnail, and everything, man. I'm finna go ahead and show y'all about my brand new gear shifter handle or gear shifter knob, whatever, you feel me? No, I did not really spend $300, but I did spend $100 on this gear shifter handle, which is kind of crazy, you feel me? Because this ain't, I mean, it's OEM, but it's not original, you feel me? These are remanufactured parts, and I mean, it's $100, so I just went ahead and got it. I was gonna get it regardless anyways, so I just went ahead and got it now instead of keep waiting and waiting and waiting, you feel me? So got that. Y'all know I already had one. I think I spent like $60 or $70 on the other one, but this one I got, instead of painting the one I already had, I just went ahead and bought a black one. And this one that like I said, this brand new one I just bought, come with the buttons. The one I had that first did not. So like I said, I'm gonna show y'all everything once I get to the back of the car, and I already got it all outside. So y'all know I have the floor shifter. So yeah, I don't have the shifter up here like in my box Chevy. I have the floor shifter, and the shifter handle has always been missing. So I ended up buying a gray one. Don't know why I bought gray. Anyway, I don't know why I did that, but I ended up buying a gray one, and it did not come with the side buttons or nothing like that. You feel me? Everything was missing. So I ordered the button, but you can't order the other pieces that go to it. So I just said, you know what, man, I'm already out of this money. I'm gonna just buy a whole nother one. I'm gonna get the color I actually need, which is black. So I just went ahead and bought, like I said, another one, a brand new one. And the one that I bought came with the buttons. It came with everything, you feel me? So it's not missing nothing. So like I said, unfortunate, I can't get back that like $60 or $70 I spent on that gray one. But at least I have another one now, you know what I'm saying? At least I already have another one. So like I said, that's what I'm gonna be showing y'all in this video, showing y'all that new gear shifter handle. And yeah, that's it. I'm not going to install it now because I can't. I'm gonna install it once I put the center console down permanently. So really it's just gonna be sitting in here, which I really should have waited to get it, but you know what I'm saying, at least it's out of the way. At least I have it now, you feel what I'm saying? At least I have it. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I hope y'all like the gear shifter handle. And yeah, like I said, leave y'all opinions in the comments. Other than that, make sure y'all like the video for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Road to 5,000 subscribers, so I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new. Do whatever you can, you feel me, to help me reach that goal. Post the channel, screen record the videos and post them on different social medias. Post the channel and the videos on social media platforms. Tell your family and friends, come subscribe. Like I said, just do whatever you can to help me keep growing this channel. Other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all once I get outside the car and show y'all the new gear shifter handle. Alright, y'all, so I want to show y'all the gray one that I bought first. If y'all did not know about it, you know what I'm saying, I'm pretty sure I made a video on it. I don't know if I did or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this gray one. I bought this one like half a year ago, you feel me? I bought this when I ain't gonna say when I first started working on this car, because it wasn't specifically then. I think it was when I first got this car back from it getting the new carburetor on it. I think that's when I bought this. About half a year ago, maybe a full year ago. I'm not, like I said, I'm not 100% certain, but it's been a long time I've had this one. So here go the gray one. This is a new one. Here go the gray one. It's missing the chrome on the bottom. If my camera will focus. There we go. So it's missing the chrome that goes around the bottom, which I will see on the new one. It's missing this button over here, and it's missing this button over here. And this is the button you're supposed to be able to push it in and then pull the gear shifter back, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, this was missing all of that. And I don't know why I bought this anyways, because it's not even a color choice that I'm going for, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why my camera not focusing. There we go. So it's not even a color choice I was going for. As y'all can see, it's pretty dirty because this is the carpet getting worked on a lot. So yeah, this probably gonna, I'm probably keep this in there for now while I'm still working on the car, and then once I'm closer to the end, like when the center console is in, the carpet is in, then I'll go ahead and throw that black one in and put the retaining clip in and everything. Like I said, that came with everything and it's already put together. I just got to put the retaining clip in to hold it. But yeah, this is the gray one. Like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it once I put that black one in. What the world? But yeah, yeah, this is just gonna sit for now, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I did order the button, but the button did not come with the spring or nothing, so I have an extra button if that button messes up, which is, I don't even know where I put it. It might be in the trunk or here. But let's go ahead and unbox this one. If I can get it out with one hand. And here it goes. Like I said, come with the retaining clips and everything. I don't know what that extra black piece is for, but I'll figure it out when I need to. But yeah, this is the old one, and here go the new one. Got the chrome ring around it, chrome ring around this side with the button on this side. Like I said, the button ain't on this side. And then the chrome at the bottom, and then that's where the retaining clip go to hold it on, so it don't just pull off when you carry it. You feel me? And then the button. This is in, like y'all can see, y'all can hear the, or actually, yeah, y'all can see the spring in there because it's bouncing back out. So yeah, I got black, like I said, because y'all know my color scheme is black and blue in this car. And the blue they were selling it wasn't the blue that I'm going for. It ain't the royal blue. It's like a kind of like a navy blue, sort of. You feel what I'm saying? So went ahead and got this. This is them side by side. Y'all can see everything that's missing on this one that's not on this one. And this one was $100. I got this from gbodyparts.com, as y'all can see. And yeah, $100 freaking, bro, on a handle. $100 freaking, but it's the OEM handle and it looks good. Y'all can see the material and everything on it, or the texture, I mean to say. You can see the texture, and like I said, it came with the buttons and everything. So just went ahead, bit the bullet, bought another one, and yeah, it's gonna be dope. You feel me? It's gonna look good. You hold it like that, press the button in, pull it back, which you really won't have to press the button, but yeah, that's what you do, pull it back. And like I said, I was using this one, but it did not come with any hardware, no retaining clip, no side button here, no button to press in and here. It didn't come with nothing. And this new one did, which I need to make sure I don't lose this retaining clip so I can actually use it. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, like I said, this little part was $100, but it's gonna be worth it in the end. You feel what I'm saying? It's gonna be worth it. So imagine the center console down with the brand new top plate. And then this black piece is gonna be there. It's gonna sit over this like that. Pull this like that. Pull it back just like that. You feel what I'm saying? It's gonna be dope, bro. It's gonna look really good. I'm sorry the sun ain't out, so where y'all can really see it good. Let me try and turn my light up a little bit more. So yeah, that's how it's gonna look. And like I said, imagine the top plate with it. Try to get y'all a little image of it. So brand new top plate. Y'all see the chrome ring around, and then the chrome ring around here. Yeah, man, it's gonna be dope, bro. It's gonna be dope. So we got us a brand new, well, I got me a brand new gear shifter knob. Got it in black, and I don't know, it's gonna look pretty good, bro. It's gonna look pretty good with the blue interior. You feel what I'm saying? So it ain't gonna be hard to install. You literally just push it down, put the retaining clip in, and it's done. You feel what I'm saying? Then you can use it. It won't turn or anything, as y'all can see. It won't just turn because it got some little grooves right here on the side, and it got grooves in here, y'all can see, and the grooves are catch. So you can't just put it on like this, or you feel me, it'll go on like that, but yeah, you're not supposed to have a button on that side. Then your pinky gonna be pushing the button. Then you need the button turned towards the driver, so you can use your thumb, pull it back. Thumb, pull it back, just like that. You feel what I'm saying? That simple, that easy. So, like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think. The blue they had, like I said, I think it was a navy blue, and then I don't know why I got gray. This is probably one of the first ones I seen. I wanted to get a knob, and I was probably gonna paint it, but yeah, I don't want to paint them. That's why I just went ahead and opted out for black instead of trying to get a navy blue. That would have been off, and because it's already, the steering wheel is already a different blue than the door. So, and then the carpet probably gonna be a little bit off as well, and then the stitching in the seat probably gonna be a little bit off, or the stitching might be just right. I don't know, bro. So that's why I was just like, you know what, keep it simple and just go with black. So that's what I did. Brand new black knob, and y'all can really see the difference, bro. I'm telling you. You got the chrome, no chrome, button and chrome, no button, no chrome, button, chrome, and spring, nothing. You know what I'm saying? So, and like I said, the black looked better than this gray. Don't know why I got gray, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Leave y'all opinions in the comments, bro. Let me know what y'all think. Which one would y'all rather have, the black or the gray? Pretty obvious choice, you feel me, with the color scheme of my car. The black is obviously the move. And yeah, I'm very excited to get the center console in with the carpet and put this black knob on, and then we'd be good to go. You feel me? Good to roll out. So, like I said, leave y'all opinions in the comments, and I will catch y'all in the outro. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I said, leave y'all opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. I know I'm sorry for the very short videos, bro, but I'm trying to record as much as I can. You feel me? That's why when I get these parts, I unbox them for y'all, solely because of the weather right now. Like I said, the weather's not really on my side, so I can't really be out here doing the work that I really want to do, which is painting the frame, getting the frame right, getting my suspension right, so I can drive this freaking car. Because I'm tired of this car just sitting here, bro. I really want to just get out and cruise, bro. You feel me? Even though, well, for me it ain't summertime yet, but for y'all it's probably summertime by the time y'all getting this video, or maybe spring. So it's time to have the old schools out and cruise in them, you feel me, in the good weather, with your top off or your windows down, music blazing, you feel what I'm saying? But I can't really do that right now because it's still cold outside, it's raining outside, you feel me? So I'm trying to just keep content rolling, keep these videos going for y'all, and just have stuff to record. So even though we just unboxing stuff, it's still good to have the content flowing, you feel what I'm saying? Still to have the content going. So other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this vid, bro. Like the video for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Let me turn my flashlight on for y'all. Made me look bright. So yeah, like I said, man, turn the post notification bell to all, where y'all get notified as soon as I drop. Road to 5,000 subscribers. So make sure y'all share the channel, share the video, screen record the videos if y'all want, post the channel and the videos on all social media platforms if y'all can. Tell your family and friends to come subscribe to the channel, and let's keep trying to grow this channel and take it as far as possible, bro. Other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoy. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about the new button. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get that rear view mirror up, because I'm ready to install that, you feel me? So that'll be out of the way and done. Another part installed and another part out of this car. And then what else I got up in here? Got my air shocks in here, got my tie rod, sway bar, my little front suspension kit. Still gotta order the springs. Yeah, I'm really just finna start stacking up on the box Chevy parts. Y'all stay tuned. I'm finna record a video on this other part I just got in the mail for the box Chevy, so stay tuned for that video. That's gonna be the next video. And then yeah, just figure out what else I can really do with this car right now, you know what I'm saying? I have about half an hour, 45 minutes until it start to get dark outside, to where I can't really record nothing else. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and, you feel me, tomorrow play the music for y'all, let y'all hear the music, bro. I know y'all been patiently waiting for me to make this video, so I think that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do in the next video. Not the next video, but tomorrow. I think that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Come out here, plug the battery up, start the car up, let the car run, and I might even just take it around the block, even though I know the steering wheel's shaking. If I go around this neighborhood, bro, I'm not going over like 15 miles an hour. So just go around the neighborhood and play the music and let myself hear the music, and then I'll make the video for y'all so y'all can hear the music. So like I said, I might do that tomorrow. Move my charge out the way, take this car out. And like I said, just take it around the block. You know what I'm saying? I'm not finna go fast around the block. I'm in the neighborhood, you feel me? I'm not finna speed through the neighborhood. And yeah, just play the music, you feel me? And just let the music play. So I might do that, like I said, tomorrow. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed, man. Like I said, leave y'all opinions on what y'all think about the gear shifter. Stay tuned. Next video, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the part. I was gonna tell y'all what the part was, but unbox one of the parts I got for the box should be in the mail. And then tomorrow I'm gonna try to get that big box up out of here and unbox it. If not tomorrow, then I'm gonna have to wait, you feel me, till the following weekend. Well, hopefully it won't rain next week, and I can have a little room. I can take the whole box in the backyard and pull the whole thing out in the backyard and show y'all the damage. And yeah, try to get it fixed if I can't get a new one. The company's supposed to email me back 2 days, because they close on the weekend. Today is Saturday, so they off tomorrow again, which is Sunday, and then they supposed to hit me back Monday and try to see what I can get going, you feel me? So hopefully they can send me a new one and I can rock out like that. But other than that, like I said, hope y'all enjoy. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.